Hello everyone, welcome to the Lockpicking show. What we have today is a Union Euro with the Assa Abloy brand stamp on it. I'm going to be putting it in upside down today, just because I don't really have a good reason, sorry. I'm going to be using the shallowest hook I have and going off of this little piece of warding here. Now, I'll show you real quick. If you look in there, you can see I can go right up through that warding and lift those pins all the way to the top, like no problem. Like, because of the channels drilled through the warding so that the pins can drop. But I've had more success with this little Euro hook from Sparrows. Now also, I'm going to be using pretty heavy tension because oversetting and pin drops happen very easily with this lock. Like with normal tension, not just light tension, but just normal tension, as you're feeling around in there, pins will just drop. Like you'll set one and two or three will drop. It's ridiculous. Tolerances on this lock are pretty tight, but I'm going to go with heavy tension to prevent oversets as much and to keep those pins from dropping back down. Pin 2, 3, 4, already had one drop if you heard that. It's pin 5, another pin dropped. Alright, ease off, intentionally drop a pin there. I think I had something overset. Alright, we're in a little bit of a false set there. Come back to the beginning. And open. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I never showed you the key, I don't think. Pretty standard bitting. So the key does work extremely smoothly. That is just one tight, smooth little lock. I like it. But yep, that is the, if I can get my hand to work, the Union, I guess since Assa Abloy bought them out, because I've got another Union that I just picked, and I've got an oval, and neither one of those have the Assa Abloy markings on them. Alright, thanks for watching. I don't think lined up there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. See you later. Have a great day, everyone.